Hi, it's a live demo for my Facebook comment board project. Nowadays, Facebook business pages are getting a ton of comments from their users. Thousands in a day, maybe in 1 hour, they're getting thousands of comments. So, reply them manually, it's a tedious task. Here, I'm trying to find a way to automate that process. Here, I'm using generative AI to automatically reply for the comments posted by users in these business pages. So to test my application, I am writing some comments on my business page, playful pic, and let's see how well that Facebook comment bot handle these comments. Yeah, it's done. Now we can go to our application. So we can open our terminal and activate our virtual environment. Yeah, it's done. Now we can run our main file. Yeah, it will take some time. Yeah, it's done. Now we can check our logs. Yeah, it looks perfect. Now we can close it and refresh that Facebook feed. Yeah, now it's 8 comments. That means our program ran successfully. Yes, all replies are good. Where can I buy? It replies online store address, price exactly 4.99. Yeah, and all the answers are to the point and concise. In the second post, yeah, in second post also we got some good replies.